Hi, I am Hari, a developer advocate at Solace, and welcome to this video series on being serverless with Solace. In our last episode, we explored how Lambda functions can be triggered via function URLs for event processing. However, in complex enterprise implementations, these functions are often exposed through an AWS API Gateway for reasons such as endpoint management, security considerations, request and response transformations, traffic control, etc. In this episode, we'll delve into integrating the Solace broker and AWS Lambda via the API Gateway. For this, we'll use the native AWS API Gateway Connector available in the Solace Cloud. Here, we feature a simple yet functional Lambda function called as a health check event consumer. This function processes an incoming JSON object, while in this example, we'll demonstrate by logging the incoming event. In real-life scenarios, it could involve complex business logic. We'll be exposing this Lambda function using the API Gateway service. We have implemented a straightforward API gateway called as the health check consumer API, which will invoke the Lambda function that we saw earlier. To connect incoming events to the API gateway and trigger the Lambda function, we have utilized the AWS API Gateway Connector native to the Solace Cloud Platform. We use the API endpoint as a target and the queue and its backing subscriptions as a source of these events. Now, let's test the flow by publishing an event to the topic that the connector subscribes to. We have set up CloudWatch to tail our function logs, which will log the incoming event that we have just published. We also notice that the flow being tracked on the API Gateway's logs over here. As you can see, it's straightforward to set up a simple and scalable consumer in AWS and feed events coming through the Solace's native AWS API Gateway connector. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting and useful. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it. And feel free to add any comments in the section below. Don't forget to join our Solace community for more EDA knowledge.